Hello everybody, today we are going to do the waistband. So I'm going to show you how you can cut it and how you are going to stitch it. This it shows how you are going to cut your waistband. When you finish cutting and you will attach the interfacing, after that you are going to pin round the waist and start stitching. So today what you need, your cutting of waist belt. This is interfacing. If you don't have a long one, if you got a small piece, that's fine. You can cut it to your waistband side. You need pins, chalk and the measure tape, iron and iron board if you have got it. So I'm going to show you how to attach the interfacing to the waist belt. So what I'm doing now, I had a square piece of interfacing but my belt is already cut. So I put on interfacing and just cut the size of my belt. And I'm going to show you how you iron. So make sure you put the belt, the material first, and make sure it's the wrong side of the belt material and this is the right side. So after that, you'll put the interfacing. So when you are putting interfacing, you'll see the glue which goes to the material. Yeah, and then so I've got a little bit short, so I'm going to put both sides. I'm going to leave extra and I'm going to put small piece of interfacing afterwards. Can you see the difference? This is no glue in there and you'll see with the glue. So make sure the glue part goes there. And you can put little bit on top of each. Make sure your iron is ready. So when you do it, you don't have to do like ironing, not rubbing. Just leave it for a few seconds. Make sure it's hot. If it's not, you can put the temperature properly and check if it's sticking. Can you see it sticks? Okay, you can see I didn't have enough interfacing, so I'm going to put a joint. So just cut it, check again your glue and just iron. And same, you are going to do other joint. I'm going to fold 1/2 inch there and I'm going to press it. Because we make sure your iron is not too hot because of this material, sometimes it's thin. So you just iron 1/2 inch all the way. I'm ready to put waist belts on the waist, but before you put it, make sure, let them try. If the waist is a bit small or tight, you can adjust it before you start putting your waist belt. Now you will open the zip, yeah, and leave this 2 inch so out. Can you see there? I'm leaving about 2 inch outside and I'm going to pin it. Yeah, and then you go all the way around, pin, and then you are going to machine that, and you are going to take 1/2 inch inside. Okay, when you come to the darts, can you see your darts is facing this way? So other darts also face same way like that, not one in and one out. And make sure when you put the pin, it's in a line. So I come to the other dart, so I'm going to fold this way. So you see both darts are facing to the seam of your crutch. back stretch. Okay, you got your pin there and you are going to do 1/2 inch seam. Can you see there? If not, then you can adjust with that one. Yeah. So reverse, forward, and go slowly all the way down. Be careful how much you take other side. You can see the zip is there. So make sure you go same way here. You go reverse and forwards and finish off. Okay, I'm going to you iron 1/2 inch, so you machine all the way. Okay, machine here. See, I'm going to lift the seam on the top like that, flat, and I'm going to lift the belt up and I'm going to press it this way. Always make sure when you do the belt, you always make sure use of iron, otherwise it doesn't set properly. Now you can see you are going to stitch from the right side on the just on top of the belt like that, not in the middle, not like that, just on the top, and you are going to fold these in while you are machining, so you'll have nice one. So when you machine, you just start all the way down there. So I'm going to show you how you can do the machine. Okay, so you will start sewing from this corner. You already fold it, so you go like that. Put it like that. Then you go there, stop, turn, and always watch at the bottom you are not catching another material, and you are going to machine on there. So I'll show you. You can see there, that's the seam. You go on the top here and go slowly. And you see at the back they're not catching. end you'll do same thing what you did at the starting. If you have leftover more material, you can leave it, so it will be like your overlap. But if it's not to worry, you just and you're going to finish off same like the other side. Your waist belt is there, where you're going to do the buttons here, buttonhole, and the button will go at the turn. So that's all your overlap is there. If you want it, you can check it properly. Fine.